Hi everyone, this is Ashu John, Principal St. Mary's Christian School, Sahibabad, Ghaziabad, and I am here today to appeal each one of you to continue doing what you have been doing, and yes, that is stay home, stay safe. I want to reach out to each one of you, especially my dear children, because this is a very different time, different than what most of us has ever experienced in our lives. And I'm really happy and proud to see that how our dear children are coping with it. It is really commendable. You guys have adjusted pretty well to the demands that we have been keeping on you, not going out, not meeting your friends, not being out in the park. And trust me, children, this is going to pay greater benefits for all of us. It's correct, a school is just a building without its children, and trust me, I am seriously missing the fun that we used to have together in the school. Your chirpiness, your laughter, your naughtiness all day long in the school is what makes the school a school. So, dear children, continue doing participating in your live online classes. I'm really proud and happy of the complete school fraternity of Ghaziabad that they have been so forthcoming and prompt in setting up this system of instruction for our students, because this is what is keeping them creatively and actively involved, both the children and the families. So, dear students and dear parents, please keep yourself involved in these live teaching so that when we come out of this lockdown, we do not have to go back and suffer on the academic loss. And dear friends, apart from being productively involved, it is very important that we take care of our physical and mental health as well. SMCS is offering great programs both for physical and mental health. Even the Ahan Foundation is offering counseling for those people who are finding it difficult to bear with this lockdown or with the uncertainty of the future. So do let us know if any of your friends, your acquaintance is seeking help, needs help, and we will be happy to provide free online counseling, telephonic counseling to them, because dear friends, we are in this together. Let's all stay safe and stay indoors. Thank you.